Hello bachcho, let's see the question, and the question says that prove that 7n into 1 plus n upon 7 plus n into s1 upon 7 into 14 plus 1n minus 2 upon 7 into 14 upon 21 up to infinity is equal to 4 to the power n into 1 plus n upon 2 plus n into n plus 1 upon 2 into 4 plus n into n plus 1 n plus 2 upon 2 into 4 into 6 up to infinity. So you have to prove LHS equal to RHS. So this question belongs from binomial theorem. Key concept for this question is, so binomial expansion of a plus b to the power n is equal to, you have nc0, nc1, a to the power n minus 1 b to the power n plus into b square. Okay, and plus आपके पास n टर्म क्या होगी, n c n b to the power n. Okay, so here you have given your LHS part. LHS part क्या given है आपके पास, that is 1 upon 7 into 14 plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 upon 7 into 14 into 21. So from here we can write, कितना लिख सकते हैं हम इसको, 7 to the power n, और 1 को हम लिख सकते हैं nc0 प्लस इसके बाद लिख सकते हैं nc1, इसके बाद क्या लिख सकते हैं हम, दैट इज 1 to the power n minus 1 और 1 upon 7 to the power 1 plus nc2, we can write this 1 to the power n minus 2 और 1 upon 7 का स्क्वायर. ओके, और इसको हम इस टर्म में लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. सो दैट विल बी, कितना हो जाएगा हमारे पास, ये हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, एक्सपेंशन हो जाएगा इन्फिनिटी टर्म. ठीक है, तो हम इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, 7 इंटू, ये बाइनोमियल एक्सपेंशन हो गया 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन 7 टू द पावर n. Okay, so after simplify this 7n, or after taking LCM, we can write 8 upon 7 to the power n, and we can write 7n into 8 to the power n, 7 to the power n, cancel out, implies that we have 8 to the power n. Okay, now solve 8 to the power n. So we can write is equal to 8 to the power n को क्या लिख सकते हैं हम, we can write this 4 to the power n into 2 to the power n. So from here we can write this 4 to the power n, और इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 1 upon 2 to the power minus n. Now 4 to the power n, and we can write this 1 minus 1 upon 2 to the power minus n. Or after expand this term, okay, so after expanding this, minus x to the power 1 minus n will be 1 plus n upon 2 plus n into n plus 1 upon 2 into 4 plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 whole upon 2 into 4 into 6 up to infinity. So that will be our RHS. Okay, so I hope you all understood this explanation. Thank you and all the best.